Guys, imagine if this channel is yours, how much you would be earning with it. Look, this channel have 8 million plus subscriber. This single video on this channel have 330 million views. And this person is just posting cartoon videos. When I saw the earning of this channel on Social Blade, I was shocked. This channel is making around $60,000+ by making simple animation cartoon videos. Hello and welcome back to my AI content channel. In this video I will teach you how you can create such animation cartoon moral stories and earn money with them on YouTube even if you have zero knowledge of animation, because we will make the whole video using AI only. We divide this video into 6 steps. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel for more interesting tutorial videos and don't forget to press the notification icon button for updates. Step 1. ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT and click on the search bar. Search for a cartoon moral story. Once you find the story, copy it. Step 2. Lexica. Open Google Chrome and search for Lexica. Click on the Lexica website. Write a prompt for your cartoon character. Select the best picture for your character. Step 3. Remove.bg. Open Google Chrome and search for remove.bg. Open the website and upload the character picture. Use the tools to remove the background. Select the picture and download it. Step 4. Canva. Open Canva to create the animation background. Click on Video and search for a village background. Follow the steps to choose a suitable background. Search for animated birds and select the best option. Place the birds in the animation. Search for animated trees and add them to the scene. Search for a group of people and add them as well. Paste a road into the scene. Download the animation video. Step 5. Sketch.MetaDemolab. Open a browser and search for Sketch.MetaDemolab. Click on Animated Drawing and get started. Upload the character image. Adjust the picture and use the eraser tool to remove highlights. Select the animation style related to your story. Click on Full Screen and download the animation. Step 6. CapCut. Open CapCut and start a new project. Select the video downloaded from Canva. Add overlays and choose the animation video. Use the Outcut tool to remove the background and manage the animation. Click on the text option and paste the story. Enable the text-to-speech feature. Select the Cut Boy voice option and apply. Delete the script text. Download the final video. Now your video is ready.
There's a boy named Philip who passionately dances in a park every day. Deeply in love with the art of dance, his ultimate dream is to triumph in a prestigious dance tournament and claim victory for his passion.